Hi, I'm ɪᴏᴜ. I'm your personal chatbot. I was designed by 𝐴 from India.
Hi, how are you?
Hi 𝐴. I am fine. What can I do for you?
Any schedule for tomorrow?
Client meeting at 11 a.m. then project submission and after that seminar scheduled at 5 p.m.
Set my usual alarm.
Alarm set at 6 a.m. tomorrow. Also added your favorite ringtone so you don't get late for the day.
Can I see my favorite photos and videos?
Sure 𝐴. Go to the top screen. I have prepared customized list for you. Sorry if you didn't find what you were looking for. You can learn more on these search icons.